Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a slow zoom effect to your video on CapCut by using the keyframes. So what you need to do is just add 2 keyframes on your video. So to add a zoom effect on the first keyframe, you just need to zoom in like this. And after that, on the second keyframe, you don't need to do anything. So now your video will have a zoom out effect like this. Okay, but if you want to add a zoom in effect, what you need to do is zoom in on the last keyframe. So add 2 keyframes and here zoom in on the last keyframe like this, and you'll have a slow zoom in effect. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.